In this ukulele video, I'm going to answer this question, which comes up all the time. What is the best YouTube channel to learn ukulele? All right. Hi there. I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into ukulele tutorials and reviews, as well as baritone and Guitarlele, this is a great channel for you. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. And we're also producing guitar content over at Rock Like the Pros. But if you're on Instagram, and I know you are, because if you're watching this video on Instagram, you can follow me over there at ukelikethepros. So what is one of the biggest questions that people ask is, what is the best YouTube channel to learn ukulele? Well, you know, right now you're here. You're here at ukelikethepros, but I'm not here to promote my name. And by the way, I'm really thankful that you are here. But I'm going to help you find the best channels. Now, there's a lot of great teachers out there. There's a lot of great channels. Each one does slightly different material, so it kind of depends on what you want to do. But I'm going to give you my top 5. By the way, these are all my really good friends, and they're just amazing people and amazing players. But let's just break it down. All right, number 1, you got John Atkins. He's the ukulele teacher. He's like, I have studied. I used to watch some videos of him when I was first kind of getting started as well. So you can't go wrong with John. He's an amazing person. So check out the ukulele teacher. He's a huge, huge channel here on YouTube. Next would be my good friend, Bernadette, known as @Plazzi on Instagram. But Bernadette teaches music. She does great, a lot of beginning stuff, a lot of beginning tutorials on songs, strumming patterns, a little bit of music theory. So great channel over there. Next, we're going to go with my buddy, Tyler, my man, 10 Thumbs Pros. Tyler's doing all kinds of songs, rock licks. He's a great blues player. He actually does a little bit of guitar as well. So that's 10 Thumbs Pro. Then my good friend, Katie. She's teaching a great singer, great songwriter, great player. She's doing a bunch of great songs and lessons over there at her channel, which is One Music School. And then no list wouldn't be complete without the one and only Cynthia Lynn. She's doing great tutorials, an amazing singer, songwriter, and performer as well. So anyway, those are my top 5, which again would be the ukulele teacher, Bernadette teaches music, 10 Thumbs Pro, One Music School, and Cynthia Lynn. And then of course, I'm gonna round it out at the end, ukelikethepros. So thanks a lot for being here. Good luck. Go check them out. You're gonna learn a lot from all of them. And we'll see you in the next one. But if you wanna also take if you like my style, check out ukelikethepros.com. We're doing all kinds of courses, fingerstyle, strumming, songs, blues, as well as weekly Q&As for all my premium members. Check that out. That's ukelikethepros.com. All right, we'll see you later. Have a good one. Take care.